friend, this is Andy from Haus Trick TV. Today we're gonna work on the Hyundai Getz tail light because it's already busted. Let's see closer. The tail light here is, you can see here it's dark or blackened already. So we're gonna remove it and change it to a new one. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, there's two screws here that you can find at the side of the tail light. One is here and the lower one. Yeah, there's only two screws. Okay, let's start removing it. Just a little. Yeah, there you go. So it's very easy to detach or unscrew it. As you can see, there's two pin here that's the guide for you to put it back again. Okay, so this is our subject. Yeah, this one we can remove it by pushing it counterclockwise like this. So that's it. There you go. It's easy to remove. Then, as you can see, this bulb is already busted because the color is black. It's already blackened. All right. Let's remove it this way. Okay. Oh, wait. You can remove it by pushing it down a little bit, then twist it. Yeah, that's it. Twist, then you can remove. It's done. Okay. So we've got here a new one. Yeah. Look at the difference. So the difference from the new one and the old one. This is busted and this one is clear. Okay, let's put it here now. There's a pin here that is the lock that you're going to locate properly. So okay, that's the right position. Make sure it's the right position for you to be able to lock it. Oh, that's it. Okay, so it's now in the right position. Let's put it back again. So when yeah, that's right, then push it counterclockwise. Make sure it's fit inside and you put it properly or perfectly fit. All right, before you twist it to the right direction to lock it, to be able to lock it. All right, then you see the pin guide here, these two. Oh, sorry, this one and this one. These two is the pin that you're going to put, one here and one there. Okay, make sure that you put it correctly, put it back correctly. Okay, okay, now it's time for us to put back the screw. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna check if it's working. Let's turn it on now and see if it's working. It's going to work. There you go. You see the light here? Yeah. Other one. It's not working. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos. Thank you very much.